Yeah, yesterday we discussed a small, we developed a small ETL job. This is a source, and our source is file, and target is database. In between, one transformation. Okay, now the scenario is now I the same file. I have a this file. Where is the file? Okay, I have a file. In this file, yesterday we did that we extracted department number 20 records, right? Okay, good. Up to till now, we are clear. We are received your file, and once we received the file, first to do the analysis. What is the delimiter is properly they are mentioned or not? And then how many records we have, and same records as per the requirement, same records we are processed or not. Okay, that's clear. And then and the same file and the same file. Tomorrow you will receive the same file, customer sending the same file. Tomorrow you will receive one more requirement. I want the salary column, these values will be ascending. Sorry, these values will be descending. Salary column will be descending. Salary column values will be descending, like higher to lower, higher to lower. And any duplicates we have, remove the duplicates. Okay, remove the duplicates. And I don't want these two columns, department name and location. I don't, sorry, HRA, HRA and department name. So you received with a new requirement. I want client want that, business team want salary column will be descending, and any duplicates have, remove the duplicates. Like, see, this is a duplicate record, 102, 102, duplicate record. Remove the duplicates. The entire record is not a duplicate. See, entire record is not a duplicate. He is from Hyderabad and he is from Chennai. Means sometimes he worked in Chennai location, sometimes he worked in Hyderabad location. Sometimes he worked in Chennai location, sometimes he worked in Hyderabad location. Okay, remove the duplicates and remove the two columns. Okay, how to do through talent. Okay, let me take one big file. I have a file, employee file. I have employee file. I open this file. Let me read. Just talent software. Chalo. Employee file. Edit with method justice. There are the two ways to read the file. Okay, same columns, employee number, employee name, salary, HRA, department number, department name, location. There are the two ways to read the file. The first way, yesterday we discussed the first way. And the second way is called T file input delimiter. T file input delimited component. and I double click this component. And path, where is the file? Go to the path. My file is in C drive, Talent Software, 12 AM folder. My file is in 12 AM folder. Employee is the one. Then click on open. And this file have header. Delimiter is comma is the delimiter. Comma is the delimiter. Okay. There is nothing. Now come to the edit schema. Copy the schema. Is the schema right? Where is it? Employee number, copy and paste. There are the two ways to read the file. Yesterday we discussed one of the way to read the file as best practice yesterday. Copy and paste. Then data type, employee number is integer. And here you define the data types. Yesterday's scenario, Talent automatically define the data types. Integer, department name, location. That's it. And give the lengths as well. Okay, then click on OK. Yes. Now give the file name, view, go to view and file name, EMP file, EMP file. Right, this is the, just now we are created the, we are extract the data. This is the old file. Let's see what is the difference between these two. Double click this one. Yeah, same. Repository to built-in. We have edit access. Repository means we can't edit access. See the path and field separator is comma. Then go to that edit schema. This is a schema, right? Same. Same this one also. Double click. I give the path, field separator, and define the schema, define the values and precision, always 0. If you will not give the precision, you will get the exception as a number format exception. You forgot the numbers, length values and precision values. Length values and precision values, you will get the exception as a number format exception. Now my requirement is extract the department number 20 records. So for this, I use that filter row. So why I'm using the big file, right? Because previous file having only 10 columns, 10 records. So that is not a, so we can't explore more in demo file having only 10 records. This is having 16,000 plus records. So that's why we can explore more. That is the reason. My source is file. Target is database. Just a drag and drop concept. The Oracle output. As per yesterday's scenario, we are main department number 20 records. Just click on plus button. Department number 20. That's it. Then next salary column descending, right? For any sorting salary ascending or descending, we have a the component is that sort row. We have a component sort row. For ascending, any values are ascending and descending. Double click and click on plus button. Which column? Salary column, right? Tool means you are learning a tool. Tool means already predefined. Just we are configure the options. That's it. Salary column descending, right? Now load this data into the database. EMP underscore today date 12/02/2025. Drop table if exists and create and copy the table in. Now run the job. Just as per the requirement, we are call the components and configure the components as per the requirement. Just run it. Load the data into the database. That's it. That is what ETL. Extract, transform, load. That's very simple responsibilities on your shoulder. Okay. Then go to the database. Unit testing is we are extracting the proper department number 20 or not. Why my database is not working? Refresh. One more SQL page. If it is working, yeah. No. Just close it and open. unit testing is important. Before unit testing, we can't send the dev environment to UA testing environment. We can send, but tester raised more bugs. Select start from table name. Perfect. All the records are department number 20 only and ascending, descending, sorry, descending. First 18,000, next 15,000, then 12,000 or 5,000 or something, right? Okay. If I saw that a number of duplicates, right? Number of duplicates. See, this is a proper record and this is a duplicate record. See, right? I saw the number of duplicates. Now remove the duplicates. How to remove the duplicates? We have a separate component, T Unicro. The only one component have in talent, the Unicro component, very powerful component to check the data quality. To check the data quality. Just to configure this component, double click, enable key attributes. That's it. That's it. Talent will take care backend. Remove the duplicate. Column wise, remove the duplicates. Column wise, remove the duplicates. not a primary key wise. Column wise, remove the duplicate. Let's see. Okay. But entire record is not a duplicate. Entire record is not a duplicate. Here salary is 18,000. Here salary is 15,000. And here HR is 100. Here HR is 120, 150. So how to remove the duplicates primary key wise? If this is my primary key, how to remove the duplicate based on primary key? We have a two methods to remove the duplicates in real time as well. We have a two methods to remove the duplicates. I want only column wise remove the duplicates, not a primary key wise. So column wise remove the duplicates means you are just enable the key attribute. Primary key means just disable, just enable the primary key. This is my primary key. Client said that in requirement, this is also very clear in requirement. As per the requirement only, we are processing the data. So let's see now primary key wise is selected as a primary key. Only two records. Only two records. Let's see. Previously it's having use records. Only two records means I'm expecting 10, 100, 102. Only two records. This is a proper data. Before also it's a proper data. As per the requirement only, we are delete the duplicates column wise or primary key wise. Okay. Then next scenario is I don't client one don't want that HRA column and the department name column, right? Okay. For this also we have a component T filter columns. Any requirement, anything we have it. All components are available. Just understand the requirement, call the components. That's it. Double click in output. He don't want all the columns. He want only, okay, employee number, employee name, salary, select and click on the, don't want the HRA, don't want the department name. That's it only, right? Then click on OK. Yeah. Now you saw that yellow color triangle symbol, right? Double click, just to sync columns. Click on sync columns. Okay, it's gone. Mm, mm, mm. 2 records, right? Okay. Previously, we have a 7 columns. Now, 5 columns, right? This is what expecting. From 16,000 plus records, we want from 16,908 records, we expecting as these 2 records. Okay, now the question is, I received that 16,000 plus records. I gave the client to that only 2 records. What about the remaining records? Remaining records also consolidated to the client. So I would like to, he wants that I want the remaining records as well loaded into the database. So how to capture the remaining records? Here we are receiving the 16,000 plus records as per the requirement, as per expectation, 8,463 are proper and some records are rejected, right? Just rejecting. That's it. Rejects, filter rejects, filter rejects. Rejects. Drop tables if existent. And now here also some records are rejected, right? Here 8,463 and here only 2 records, right? Okay. Oracle output. Row duplicates. Double click. This is what exactly a high level ETL validation. Duplicates. That's it. Dropped. See, 8,063. 8,461 records are duplicated. Only 2 records are proper. Okay? This is what exactly ETL jobs. Yeah. Anyone have any doubt? Any questions? Any questions or any doubts? Okay. Clear. Okay, fine. Tomorrow we have if you are interested, tomorrow we have a installation class. Register and join to that installation class. Okay, that's it from my end. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, bye. Welcome.